Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com, and today we're going to be learning the Victorian Cutback. The Victorian Cutback is a single whip crack that happens vertically at the side of your body. The whip is swung forward, similar to an underhand flick, and is cut back and up in order to get the crack. The main premise of the Victorian Cutback involves swinging your arm forward and twisting your wrist, and then untwisting your wrist to get the crack. Because of this, I recommend really warming up your wrists before you try this move, massaging your forearms, because you don't want to create any muscle strain when you're trying to learn this crack. Start with the whip on the ground behind you. You want it to be in a nice straight line. You're going to swing your arm forward gently and stop it at about this angle, and then twist your wrist until your wrist won't twist anymore. So I go here, and then I continue to twist my wrist. Now the handle's parallel with the ground. When you're doing this motion, try and get the whip to swing up and pause in the air and then set back down. So notice how my arm is stopping, my elbow bends, and then my wrist twists like that. Practice doing this motion gently. Ideally, you want the whip to go forward, hover in the air in front of you, and then fall back down. Try to get a good sense of when the whip stops in the air, because that's the moment you're going to crack the whip. Now we're going to practice the cracking portion of this move. Put your arm and your wrist in the position they were at the end of your swing. What you're going to do now is untwist your wrist and bring your arm down and back out like that. So you're here in this position, your wrist starts to twist back down the way it wants to go, and your arm comes out like that. Practice this move multiple times as well. Be in the position, untwist, and come out. Get into the position, untwist, and come out. Now it's time to put those two pieces together. Start with the whip behind you, swing it forward like we did in the first section, and when it pauses in the air, cut your arm back to get the crack. Timing is really important for this move, so really try and make sure that you pause, wait, and then cut back to get the crack. Once you're confident with the Victorian Cutback, try adding it into other moves like the slow figure eight, fast figure eight, volley, Sydney flash, or whatever feels comfortable with you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, please check out our website at CanadaWhips.com.